last week I said I'll see you next year in last week's video. Of course I won't. We're still 2018. I'm recording this now actually on Monday, the Monday the 31st that you'll see this on. Right, one thing that's interesting over the Christmas period, over the last week or so, 8 new members. So David, UK, welcome to you. Welcome to all of you. Michael, USA. I hope I pronounced this right. Gentleman from the Netherlands. Jern, is that right? J-U-R-N, Jern. Andrew, Wales. I can pronounce Andrew. Another David from the UK. Eve, Y-V-E-S, Eve, I believe, from Quebec, Canada. Excellent. Rodney, UK, and Bill, Australia. So welcome to you all 8. That's excellent. The more members, the better. Thanks to Roger for the magazine links. I'll be putting, have I done it already? I don't know. Load of magazine links, various radio magazines, shortwave, all sorts of stuff. Brian, thanks to you for the Droitwich information. There's a booklet by the BBC all about the Droitwich longwave transmitter, which I've been looking through with photographs, and it's very interesting. I'm going to put that on the members area as soon as I can. What's this? Civilian radio. Oh no, that's something else. So there we are. Yeah, Happy New Year, because it's now New Year's Eve, so 2019 tomorrow. What I'm not going to do is bang on about Bluetooth and DAB radios next year, 2019. A lot of people have found a lot of the info interesting, but yeah, I think I've just about covered everything. DAB aerials and all that. So Bluetooth and stuff, I've told you that I will Bluetooth certain scrap radios or whatever, so I'm not going to keep on about that. But of course, anything new that pops up, I will tell you. And something new that has popped up, if you look on the Radio Workshop Facebook page, there's been a lot of comments to and fro from people about DAB Plus, DAB Plus. Now, this is another UK mix-up by the look of it. Stations are going over to DAB Plus, or sorry, DAB Plus, mustn't say DAB. Dear me, happy Christmas. Which makes a lot of the older DAB radios are now redundant. Apparently they won't work with DAB Plus, I don't know. So there we are. That's something to think of. If you are going to go out and buy a radio, then just make sure it does do DAB Plus. If you have a look on the Radio Workshop Facebook page, you'll see Jerry. Hello, Jerry. Loads of Jerrys, I know, but have a look. Jerry W, there we are, has mentioned that he's discovered that the majority of DAB radio stations, if we can call them radio stations, are 80 kilobits per second mono. And he is quite taken aback by that, as I was when I read out that list last week. You know, it's mono, 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 low bit rate, and you know, with, as Jerry says, you know, what's happening to the technology? You know, what is going wrong? Have a look at the Facebook page if you haven't done so already. Yeah, as I say, I'll leave all this alone in 2019, because we're meant to be dealing with vintage valve radios. Look what someone gave me. Oh dear, it's a Philco. Now, what am I going to do with it? Unfortunately, it's a live chassis radio. It's what's it got? Long, medium wave, FM. It sort of works a little bit. I mean, I don't know what to do with it, to be honest. What should I do with it? I don't know. I think it sort of works. I can't remember now. I was given this some time ago. Philco model 100. Yeah, it's what is that? Is that 50s? Early 60s? I don't know. Anyway, not sure what to do with that. Quite a nice looking thing if you've got the right kind of room for that to fit into. I suppose that's late 50s, early 60s, isn't it? That'll be, yeah. Yeah, oh, here we are. Look, only up to 100 megs. See, this is what we've said before, isn't it, about VHF stuff. Only goes up to 100. You probably squeeze 102 out of that. Up to 102, possibly. But there we are. That's something else now in my way. Actually, there was someone, a friend of mine, who did show a little bit of interest when he popped round the other day, so I might be able to move that one on, hopefully. Okay, yeah, no radio repairs last week, of course, being Christmas, and none this week. this one's done. I wonder how many of these will see on the bench in 2019. What I ought to do is go back through my records and see how many I did this year. But no, I can't be bothered. But I would imagine that, in fact, there's one in the post on already on the way. There's a Bush PB12, big thing with the push buttons on the front. Apparently the push button assembly's got problems. I did say as a chap I might not be able to deal with that, it depends. I don't do the piano key type, this is the push button, PB12 I believe it is. That's coming in I think, I don't know, next week. One or two other things that people have been saving up over Christmas, ready for when I open again. It's supposed to open after the 7th, but I mean I'm kind of here anyway. I've been answering the phone and emails, so there we are. Well look, I'm waffling on now, I think that's about it. I think this must be the shortest weekly video ever. Tidied the workshop, look at that. Washed the bench, would you believe this bench has been washed? So has the desk, the computer, keyboard, the screen, the floor's been vacuumed. You're quite right, I didn't do any of it, my good wife did it. She was out here with washing and vacuuming and cleaning and dusting. I don't like to do any work here, it's too clean. There we are. Okay, I'm going to have a quick think and finish my coffee, and then I might clear off and leave you all in peace. Okay, that is it, the shortest video ever. It's New Year's Eve. Have a great evening, have a night, whatever it is you're doing. Don't drink too much. I'll probably be in bed by 10 o'clock with a cup of tea and a copy of Practical Wireless. No, I won't, no. I don't know what we're doing. We're not doing anything exciting. Might even have a tune around on the radio, see if I can chat to any amateurs. This time I can say, see you next year. Happy New Year. See you next year. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.